It's 2:30 a.m. and bed's made. Things are packed. So yeah. 2:48 a.m. We're drinking Coke. Gotta get that sugar turned off.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Heavenly Father, first day out.
I can tell they want
Okay, so we're going out right now. We're on the road. It's 2:54 a.m. 2:54. I got, I think, 25 minutes of sleep. I went to bed at
I can't really see that.
and you got a few hours. She did talk to me in the middle of the night a bit, but she doesn't remember.
I just felt myself sleep talk and walk.
But yeah, okay. We're on our way to the airport now. First time flying on a plane. We got all our stuff. Look at us cutesies with our suitcases.
Okay, so we got here and
Guess who's here? This is
big. Why did they put carpets in the airport?
because they like carpets. Oh my gosh, guys, we're headed to Chicago. We've never been on a plane.
No. We're right.
Oh no, the stress of the
Where are we going?
airport is kicking in.
Yeah.
Please come back and visit us again very soon. Please exit for gates 100 through 129.
This is the fam. We are united by blood, but
United by United Airlines at Southwest.
and right now, nothing beats a jet-to holiday.
And right now, you can save £50 per person.
Per person. That's
Wait.
$400 off for a family of 5.
Oh, we're a family of 6, so
$50 off for a family of 6.
there we go. Guys, oh guys. Did you just read it? Addie, you're not gonna cry. You're fine. I know. I can come back.
We're off of the ground. It's really cold out there. Really cold. I am down. What I can on the side better.
All right, now we're trying to find out where to go. Because we're in Chicago.
We made it to Chicago and we didn't die.
Yeah, we didn't die. There was no final destination stuff, or what's it called? The Twilight Zone? Is that what it's called?
Twilight Zone, yes.
Or yeah.
Because I sat right by the plane wing.
Me too. Yeah.
That's a great photo.
Yes, it's the city-ish.
Lincoln. Forever.
Ew. Hamilton? I will watch Hamilton. Hamilton.
guys.
I love to go watch Hamilton. I should go watch Hamilton.
We haven't talked a lot on like the vlog for this, but I don't really know what we're doing right now. We're kind of just like walking
We're at
around.
like the Riverwalk, Chicago, you know, seeing the city. Guys, we live in a small town, so we don't get to see cities and these
No
huge
like
buildings.
big
That's so
buildings
funny.
and stuff. So that's kind of the newest thing to us, you know.
Oh,
We've been
also,
to New
look
York
at my hair,
though.
guys. It's so different.
She got red hair, I got bangs.
This is Chicago, y'all. Ooh. And that's Ty and Addie. I'm going and going. Can you see that? Okay. So we have this view, which is beautiful. Love, love. We have this. So many people walking and stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
Nope.
We have all this. All the buildings. And then this way.
Jump.
We're in Chicago at the part of this part that we're in right now, currently.
And fishing.
This was my one thing I wanted to see before I died. No. Here, babe. And then we gotta go because they left us. Did they even notice we're gone? They just walked.
No one who knows there's people are behind and stuff.
Or you order Philly out with a burger and taste both of them.
That's true. So we're at Gordon Ramsay's restaurant right now.
Burgers.
And honestly, do I have to get a burger?
I'm just getting a drink. I'm not eating. We're not gonna eat the whole thing, so don't get it.
What about fries? And a drink. I'm gonna look at the menu.
Just fries.
Patty, fried eggs.
I think it's hair fries.
Fries. Because you covered that. I was like, what the
They
heck?
have big man.
Okay.
Okay, that's the future Legos.
Walmart. I want that one.
Stop judging us. Star Wars. Yes, I want that too. And I want all the Star Wars ones. Like, da-da-da-dum.
It's really interesting to see a skyline built flat.
Daddy.
Chicago Day 2. We're going to a museum and
It's still blue.
planetarium. Genevieve, say it. Where are we going? Where are we going? Planetarium.
Planetarium to T-Rex.
Yeah.
T-Rex.
Oh my god, this is what I call my Gracie Abrams outfit.
I'm just in like my if I went to like a football game outfit, I guess. I like kind of feel like that. I'm gonna wear a Bronco shirt.
She wants a Bronco. That's like her dream
I do
car.
not.
She just like is a fan of it, and that's why she bought the shirt. She's like, her entire wall is filled with a whole mural of Bronco stuff because
Ew.
she's obsessed. Izzy the lifesaver had some lip gloss in her pocket. You're welcome. Boom. You know, us at a museum. This is the moon wall. This is Ty controlling it. Oh, give me some. We did it, guys. We did it. Look at that.
Something comes through the atmosphere, if it's going to survive, it's going to be this size. So something that size is pretty precious. Something this
This is our view right now. So pretty. We got some great photos. Y'all, you don't see me often, but I'm here.
I got you.
This Chicago at 12:12.
Tomorrow, I expect you guys, to have 40 poses.
To have what? We have to go on Pinterest and we have to get some new poses because our poses are horrible. Yep, we don't know how to pose.
Bland.
Yeah, horrible.
Maybe you know that actually.
Go for that shirt, sir. I'm really tired. I'm not tired. My legs, my feet, everything hurts.
Yeah, mine too.
I want to dance. I want to go back to dance. I want food. This is fun though, right? We're having fun. Apparently everyone's like twins. Yeah, do we look like twins? I think not. I'm like 8 years older than her.
18 months.
8 years, same difference. He's like 25
months.
years older than us, so like. So we just did all the mammals, and now we're at birds. And I feel like I'm narrating like a documentary or something. But yeah. But you know what? Whatever. I don't even know, guys. I don't know what I'm saying anymore.
lost in life. Just Jesus. Jesus. I'm not adding music to this. I'm gonna just make it awkward. Yeah, it's fine. I don't want to add music to it. Okay, our awkward video. I don't know. What is she? I just failed a quiz on Sue, the T-Rex. Complete failure. I got one right. One question right. That was it.
She doesn't know it yet, but she's insane.
What? That's awesome because there's a dinosaur behind us.
Now we're at the marine part of it. The artistry of life. Now we have to get a car and go to lunch. Guys, we're at lunch. Addie colored in the lines mostly.
Ready, Eddie? Hold on. Didn't do that.
This feels like a very dumb idea.
I always say this about playground design.
Yeah, not fun, just dangerous. So we went to the rooftop and then we worked out with Ty. And now we're going back to our place. I want to do that so badly. Guess who's going on a speedboat?
We're gonna do 360s and go super fast, and I'm gonna get throw off.
That guy is, that is, that
some
thing
tattoos.
is,
You
that
got this
there.
one?
Oh yeah, wait.
So we have this,
Genevieve, you want to go find some
and
shade
then
for a few minutes?
that one, and then this one. I have these. She's flexing. We went to the gym last night. I have a video to send her
Oh
for
my
that.
gosh, I failed. I'm so weak right now.
I can deadlift 115 and bench press 65
I can deadlift.
or 75. I forgot which one it was. I think I failed at 75.
Ty, what did I deadlift? Okay guys, we got the very front.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody here in Chicago. But you guys ready to get what again?
Guys, my hairstyle looks fabulous. Did you guys get soaked at all? Did y'all get soaked or no?
Yeah, my back is completely wet.
I sure got a little wet.
I'm dry and Ty's.
What, yours?
Yeah, this shirt dries really fast too. It's just holes and stuff. So like, I'm too because I'm a second child. No, because my pants didn't get wet at all.
My pants.
They would like
My hair.
yeah. Your hair's curly now. Your bangs are curly. The straightening didn't hold out for her. Guys, I'm doing this backwards, but No. The staircase is like how I survived.